In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printers under $500 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done. Let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender-3 V3. The 3D printer being described is a Creality 3D printer with specifications including a slice thickness range of 0.1 to 0.35 mm, printing speed of 180 mm per second, power supply of 350 watts, auto leveling feature, support for multiple languages such as English, French, Portuguese, Turkish, German, Spanish, Italian, and Russian, compatibility with operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, consumables diameter of 1.75 mm, and support for file formats like STL, OBJ, and AMF. It uses filaments such as PLA, PETG, and TPU. 95A offers a precision of plus 0.1 mm, has a nozzle diameter of 0.4 mm, and a maximum print size of 220 by 250 mm. The molding technology used is FDM with a voltage range of 110 to 220 volt, interface type USB, and CE certification. Number 2. Creality New Ender-3 V3. The 3D printer being described is the Creality Ender-3 V3 KE, a DIY assembly printer with specifications including a slice thickness range of 0.1-0.35 mm, power supply of 350 watts, auto leveling feature, support for languages like English, Spanish, German, French, Russian, Portuguese, Italian, and Turkish, a maximum printing speed of 500 mm per second, maximum working speed of 250 mm per second, compatibility with operating systems Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, consumables diameter of 1.85 mm, and support for file formats STL, 3MF, and AMF. It uses filaments such as PLA, PEG, ABS, TPU 95A, and ASA, has a standard nozzle diameter of 0.4 mm with options to change, maximum print size of 220 by 240 mm, FDM molding technology, voltage range of 110 to 220 volts, and CE certification. Number 3. Artillery 3D printer. The Artillery 3D printer, originating from mainland China and branded as Artillery, features a CE certification, USB interface type, and color print speed ranging from 60 mm per second to 150 mm per second. With a build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm and layer resolution between 0.0 mm to 0.35 mm, this printer offers a travel speed of 250 mm per second and utilizes a tempered glass print surface with coating. It employs an AC heat bed, one extruder, and supports a filament diameter of 1.75 mm, compatible with materials like PLA, ABS, flexible materials, wood, PVA, and HIPS. The frame is constructed from aluminum extrusion with calibration using ABL technology and FFF print technology. The nozzle diameter is 0.4 mm with a temperature range of 180 degrees to 240 degrees and a heat-up time of 3 minutes. Number 4. Clone Prusa i3 3D printer. The FWICE 3D printer, originating from mainland China and boasting a CE certification, offers a slice thickness range of 0.5 mm to 0.35 mm and features auto leveling functionality. Operating in English, this printer has a maximum printing speed exceeding 200 mm per second, with a nozzle temperature capability of 300 Bo and a bed temperature of 110 degrees. It supports consumables with a diameter of 1.75 mm, specifically PLA and PETG filaments, and utilizes a 0.4 mm diameter nozzle. The maximum print size is 25 by 21 by 21 centimeters, employing FDM molding technology and compatible with a voltage range of 10 to 220 volts. The FWICE printer is branded as FWICE and meets CE certification standards. Number 5. Creality 3D printer CR10. The Creality 3D CR10 SE printer, originating from mainland China and bearing a CE certification, offers a slice thickness range of 0.1 mm to 0.35 mm and features auto leveling capability. Operating in multiple languages including English, Spanish, Dutch, French, Portuguese, and Italian, this printer has a maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second and supports various operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. The Creality 3D CR10 SE is equipped with a 32-bit silent mainboard, a 4.3-inch touchscreen display, and supports working modes via USB drive and Wi-Fi. It has a gross weight of 12 kilograms, an upgraded Sprite direct extruder, and features power loss recovery functionality.